We're in the middle of a period of extraordinary change, a sixth mass extinction, the first in Earth's history driven by us. Conservation as we know it is not succeeding fast enough, and it's critical that we start developing real solutions that go beyond traditional approaches and actually address the scale, scope, and size of the threat that we're facing. At Conservation X Labs, our mission is to prevent extinction, and time is of the essence. That's why we're excited to provide the conservationists who are working to protect our planet with the latest technology to make their work successful. Right now, when conservationists use tools like trail cameras, there's an enormous amount of manual labor involved, from collecting memory cards to clicking through hundreds of thousands of images just to find anything of relevance. The Sentinel is CXL's artificial intelligence device that makes conservation tools smarter by upgrading existing trail cameras and recorders to process environmental data efficiently. The Sentinel hardware is connected to existing trail cameras and acoustic recorders through their SD card slots, making it a universal adapter, and then processes images and audio as they're recorded with local AI models.
We're checking to see what kind of progress we made overnight.
The data is filtered as it's collected, and when information of importance is detected, it is sent directly back to you through text, email, or however you want to receive your insights. The Sentinel uses cutting-edge technology to monitor species and the threats that face them at a speed and scale not seen in conservation until now. The ISHOW Award stands out to us as one of the few moments the competition really pulls in an extensive list of experts in their fields who are rooting for every single candidate and supporting them every step of the way. This makes their advice and insight all the more valuable, which for us help to provide some clarity on what we should be prioritizing in the coming year. ASME's seed grant has already helped the team prepare for the first major deployment in Costa Rica and funded much of our hardware design and component assembly. These are trying times with the global supply chains, and ASME's help has gone a long way to alleviating many of these stresses. The next milestones for the Sentinel include building, testing, and deploying our first customer product in early 2022, and working with early partners on their deployments. Our team will be deploying Sentinels to protect the last remaining jaguars in Costa Rica, wild elephants in Mozambique, and gorillas in the Congo. Looking forward, we're also developing techniques in video and acoustic analysis, which will allow us to identify animal behaviors such as those that would indicate early signs of sickness or disease through our most advanced AI models. It's always humbling to speak and share our progress with conservationists who are excited to get their hands on our technology. To see firsthand how exactly our product can change the way they work for the better is, without doubt, the greatest achievement for the Sentinel to date. Initially, we're launching into markets for spotting invasive, predatory, nuisance, and endangered species of interest, but in the future, we don't see the Sentinel being restricted to very specific markets. Looking to work in additional fields from vet and pet health to spotting backyard creatures, the Sentinel will be able to plug in and offer eyes and ears on the natural world wherever you want them. With the Sentinel, we can leverage the latest technology to understand, monitor, and better protect the planet and its inhabitants well into the future.